the pronoun Sappanama or pronouns which divided into two pronouns. The first one, Purisa Sappanama, personal pronouns. The second one, Visesana Sappanama, adjectival pronoun. Adjectival pronoun. In the morning time, we have finished the personal pronouns, the Purisa Sappanama, already finished in the morning time. Purisa Sappanama or personal pronouns, there are three terms that the student has to know how to decline correctly. How to decline correctly according to 7 cases, not 8, not all 8 cases, only 7 cases without the alapana or vocative case. There is no vocative case, only 7 cases. The first one, ta words, right? Ta words. Ta words can be, ta mean he, she, it, they, right? Ta, he, she, it, they can be declined into 3 genders. Decline into 3 genders. Different from tumha and amha words can be declined in all gender. All in one. All gender in one terms. All genders can be divided in one term. So one term can be divided into all genders. Different from the ta words can be declined into in 3 genders. In 3 genders can be declined into 3 genders. Ta word according to the feminine, how to decline. Ta word according to feminine masculine, how to decline correctly. And the ta word according to the neuter gender, how to decline it. This is we have finished in the morning time for the ta words according to the 7 cases of the intergenders. Tumha word, the second persons. Tumha word is the subject of the second person, can be divided according to the 7 cases. 7 cases how to divide and how to decline. How to decline it correctly, particularly to the case number 6. Positive case or negative case, positive case or genitive case or singular. You have to remember in special. There is no of, right? There is no of. Go directly to yours. Yours. To yours. There's a translation. And plural of you, right? Plural of you. And also special to case number 1, singular, and case number 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So, and thou, singular is thou, tvam, thou, right? From the 2nd to 5th case, thee. This is you have to remember in special. Especially at yours, case number 6, yours. Not of your, be yours. And then go to the last one, the first personal pronoun. First personal pronoun, the words of the first personal pronoun. Original term is amha words. Amha words. Amha word can be declined in all gender, all 3 genders. Can be declined in all 3 genders. The special thing that all of you have to remember. Case number 6, right? Positive case or genitive case. Minds. Singular mind, plural of us. Amhagam, asamagang, no, of us. Plural. singular my, my asa, my, mama, my. These are just remember can be declined in all genders. Aham, mayam, right? Aham, mayam. This is the subject in the sentence. In the sentence, aham, mayam. Aham, mayam. The case endings of aham and mayam is mi and ma, right? According to the present tense, mi and ma. The case endings of verbs, mi and ma. Mi and ma. For the past tense, im maha, the past tense. For the future tense, sasami, sasam, future tense. For the second person, sorry, for the first person, ahamayam, ahamayam. When you see me and ma, please note that the subject in the sentence is aham and mayam for the present tense. When you see im and maha, im and maha is subject in the sentence is aham and mayam for the past tense. For the future tense, when you see sasami and sasama, the subject in the sentence is aham and mayam. So this is for the first persons. For the first person can be declined according to 7 cases. Yes, now come to continue from the morning session. We arise here. Exercise 1. Exercise 1. Conjugate the following roots. Conjugate the following roots. Conjugate the following root. When we talk about root, there are 6 groups of the root, right? 8 group of the root. We have learned 8 group of the root. QUÁ, the group of roots begin with power root, right? Power root ending in a sound. So you see here how many root end in a, you see? 3 root, right? End in a, but 3 root end with a, not all come from the same side or the same group. Come different group but end with a, because a from Puvatikana, a from how can I say, the Tana, no, not Tana, the, what is it, Chara, the second one, the first one, Puvatikana, the second one also end in a and a, right? The second group. So this is all of you have to remember, because not only from the first group from Puvatikana, but from other group as well. Yes, of course, the first one, Kama, end with a, sa, end with a, sa. You see a, sa from which group of the word, of the roots? Of the root. This one, a, sa from the first group, Puvatikana. So this root must decline the same power root or Puvatikana. The group of root begin with power roots. So that means Kama root, it keep the same form or transform itself. This one, Kama root, Kama plus a. This is a side, 2 a, you see, at the end of root and a side combine together, become or equal. We can remain the same form Kama or transform to be Kacha is one of the words. Sorry. Kacha. This one I will transform itself, okay? Transform Kama plus a transform to be Kacha. And to be Kacha, you see? To be Kacha, and then can be declined according to the present tense. Conjugate the following root according to the present tense, right?
Gachati.
Present tense. Kachati.
Gachati.
Kachanti.
Yes. Gachati. Gachanti.
Kachati. Kachanti. Ti. Anti, right? This is the case endings of verb. Ti, anti. Si. Tha. Mi. Ma or ami, ama.
Achami. Gachama.
You see?
Yes.
Kacha. Conjugate according to the present tense. Kachanti. Kachati. Kachanti. Kachasi. Kachata. Kachami. Kachama. This is the common root to go. What's about the, here you focus on the present tense again, not focus the past and future. What's about the jara root? To walk. How to travel. Jara root. These are from which side?
Upside.
Decline according to which group?
THOAI.
Jara. And in outside, right?
Yes.
And in outside, the same command. So can be conjugated as jarati, jaranti, jarasi, jarata, jarami, jarama. Not transform itself this one. Keep the same form. Chi. What about chi? To win. From which groups of the root? Which group of the root? To win.
Chi.
From which group? Chi. Ending in na side. Na side. Only one side, na side. But from which group?
Kiyati. From Kiyati.
Kinatikana. Kinatikana, the group of root begin with ki root. Begin with ki root and in na side. And in na side. Can be declined. Chinati, right? You see? Chinati. Chi and na plus ti, chinati. Chinandi. Chinazi. Chinata. Chinami. Chinama. Win. Last one, kara. This one, kara root to do end with outside, but not the side from the first group, right? Puvatikana. What outside this one? Is from which group?
Katadi.
From
Offside. Offside.
From
Tanadi Kanat.
From Tanati Kana. The group of root begin with Tana root. Tana root. End in O, right?
Yes. O.
End in Osha. Kara and O become Karo, right? Kara and O become Karo plus the antecedent.
Karonti.
Karoti. Karonti. Karosi. Karoma. If all of you can conjugate like this, correct. I will consider the 10, okay? Maybe present tense or past tense or future tense. Let's see which one will be appear in the examination among 10. Present tense, past tense, or future tense. Let's see. Okay, this is the first exercise part 1. Part 2. Translate the following sentence into English. Buddha dhammam passanti. Buddha dhammam passanti. The word that you have to find to translate first, subject. Which one is the subject in the sentence?
Buddha.
If there is no the nipata or indeclinable parts or adverbs in the sentence or vocative alapana in the sentence, if all of these not appear in the sentence, you can go directly to the subject. Translate the subject first. Okay, Buddha subject in the sentence. Singular or plural, all of you have to know. Plural, because verb show plural, right? Anti
case.
If Putto pasante, this is not correct. Subject and verbs not related. It must be plural all. Subject plural, verb also plural. Okay, Buddha, the Buddha, right? The Buddhas, then go to the words. The Buddhas pasanti. What does this mean, pasanti?
See.
Preach
or speak.
Preach or talk on.
See.
The Buddhas speak, talk, right?
Yes. Speak, talk, expound.
Okay, this one we can use talk. Right?
Talk. Speech, talk.
Talk what? Object is called for the object. Talk the
Doctrine.
The Dhamma.
The Dhamma or the doctrine.
The doctrine.
Doctrine is good.
We can use both. The Dhamma or the doctrine. Finish this sentence. Complete the translation, the sentence translation. The Buddhas took the Dhamma. English, you see, 1, 2, 3. Number by number sequentially. But the Pali translation, not the same. English 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? When we writing or when we translate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But Pali not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 2 is here, and then 3 in the middle. You see, no sure. After 3, maybe if there's some more term, maybe 4 here, maybe 4 here, or 5 here. No sure according to the Pali structure. It depends on which term related to which term. Which term related to which term. This is the Pali translation. But for the English, yes, of course, we can go according to the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But Pali not the same English program of translation. And also when we translate the English back to the Pali, we should know the structure of the Pali. When we translate Pali, English back to the Pali, we should know. If we translate the English to the Pali from 1 and then number 2, number 3, step by step or number by number in Pali is not correct. We translate the Buddha first to Pali, right? And then go to translate the Dhamma. Number 1 and number 3, you see, when we translate back to English, right? sorry, to Pali. We translate the Buddha first and then go to number 3, the Dhamma. See? 1, 3, right? 1, 3, 2, you see? 1, 3, 2, you see? Go to number 3 and then go to number 2. Talk. Yeah, this is the translate the English back to Pali like this. Not the same in English when translate back to Pali. Okay, the second one, Tvam Patehi. Tvam Patehi. Jarasi. Tvam Patehi. Jarasi. Translate to English. Subject, right? Tvam. Si. Tvam and si. Si show tvam. Tvam show si. Tvam participle. Okay, translate tvam first. Singular or plural this tvam.
singular ต่อ
Down and then go to verb. Jarasi. Jarasi. What is it? Jarasi.
Walk.
Walk, right? With the same walk like this, keep this form of walk or different form of walks.
Walk.
This is correct or not correct? The singular of the second person, this second person.
Class S อาจารย์
No. S, right? S and T.
Huh?
Yeah, S and T. Or another term, travel, right? Travel.
Walk ED นะอาจารย์
Travel.
อดีต
as travels. Please note that the singular of the single person, the verb not the same. Verb not the same in English is use the old version. Use the old fashions of the English grammar. Travels, walked, put st, right? St to make it different from the plural form. This is for the single forms. For the single forms, for the second person. Walks, travels, partesi. What about partesi?
By feet.
The third case, right? By.
Yes.
by
Or along. By or along, right?
Okay.
By or
along
along. Travel along, right? Walks by. And
Feet.
then by, travel by or along feet, right?
Yes.
Finish this sentence, this translation.
So
Finish this translation. This is when you see the singular form of the second person, please know that down and don't forget to push this one
st
st, you see, afterwards. Right?
อาจารย์
Okay, the first persons. Mayam, Loke, what Sama. This is third person, right? This is second person. This is first person. Mayam, Loke, Wasama. When you see Ma, Mayam, right? Mayam and Ma.
Yes.
or ama. Mayam ama. You see. Okay, translate. We what?
Live.
Wasama. We live, right?
Live or stay.
We live.
Focus.
We live
And
in
more.
the world. We live in the world. Finish. You see? We live in the world. We live in the world. And you can translate from English back to Pali, all of this. Translate back to Pali for more skillful, Translate Pali to English and then translate English to Pali again. For more skillful, practice like this. For more skillful. Okay, part 3. Translate the following sentence into Pali. Oh, this one. Difficult. First sentence, the king kills a lion. King kills a lion. How to translate to Pali? The king, what the king? The king is subject to sentence, right? Kill is a verb. A lion is object. So this English sentence, there is no adverb. There is no adverb of time. There is no vocative case. Okay, we can go directly to the subject in the sentence. Translate subject first, the king. The king. What the king in Pali? The original
Raja.
in Pali. The original term of Pali of king, Raja.
Raja.
The king, original term in Pali is Raja. Decline. This not decline the same Purisa, The special decline, we not learn yet this one. Special decline. The king, the queen, special decline. We not study in this class, okay? I will tell you this one. The king, Raja, the original term, after decline become Raja. Raja. We cannot translate kill as a second, cannot go directly to a lion, to object first. This Pali, English to Pali, you see, we cannot go step by step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 according to the English. According to English, cannot translate it as after king, go to the objects first. A lion.
Lion.
Lion objects. A lion, what's the Pali term? The original Pali terms of a lion?
Siha.
Right? Siha can be declined according to Purisa. Purisa. Accusative case number 2, how to decline it? Singular.
สีหูเหรอคะ
No. Siha, original term, end in a, same, decline the same Purisa from masculine. Case number 2, singular.
สีหัง
C.
หัง
Yes. Siham. Raja Sima, this object in the sentence. Singular, right? You see? Siha plus becomes Siham. This is singular forms. Accusative case, singular. Then can translate verbs. Kills.
คิวหะ
Nati.
Kill.
หะนันติ
There are two root available for killings. One is Hana root. The second one is Mara root.
มระ
Mara roots. If Mara roots, this one kill Mara roots.
มะเร
Mari,
Root is one from
มะระเรเอ
from the second group,
Ma.
right? The second group RNA, right? RNA
RNA
side.
yes
RNA side.
Mariti.
So it should be
มะ
ma.
มา
Indeed.
มาเรติ
Re. Ti. Or
มาเรติ
Hanati.
or hana.
Anati.
Hanati.
This hana root. This one hana root. This one mara root. Mara, okay, not mara. Mara root is transform itself when it come with nasai. This from nasai. Sorry. Nasai, right? Not asai. Nasai. You see the nasai. Check the nasai. Nasai from which group? Nenaya, right? You see nenaya. This is from nasai.
Panchami.
Yeah. Nasai.
the
Okay,
last group
this king, right? Raja. Kill. Kill what? Kill lion.
สีหัง
Objects. Or hanati. Raja singular. Verb also singular. Hanati singular. See? If all of you can translate like this, like what I translate, this is correct. Can get the score. Okay, next, when you see
โต
down,
You.
ตาว
Tong.
oh, what I spelling is incorrect. This one it should be this one. Down.
ตาว
When you sit down, what is the person? Third,
second
second or first, second persons. Remember, second person forms. Down, see the birds on the tree. On the
Second.
tree. This is subject. This is verb. All of these predicate of the sentence. Birds on the tree predicate in the sentence. Or birds object, right? Object in the sentence. Object in the sentence. Okay, now translate subject first. Down, what is this? Translation according to the second person. Singular.
Takuna.
Tawam.
Tong.
Yes. Hanati.
Tuam. Cannot translate see after tuam. Should translate what first?
the tree
Okay.
On the tree.
Patati.
On the 3 second. On the 3 second. Down first on the 3 second. On the 3, when you see on, from which case?
locative case
Locative case. 3 in Pali, what is it?
นักเค
Okay.
สุ
Rukha, right? Rukha decline according to the locative case. The same Purisa masculine now.
ลูกเขสุ
Okay.
Singular plural. Is singular
Singular, yeah.
plural.
Okay.
Singular. Ruka
ลูก
the
ขสมิง
Okay.
Make sure
Okay. Pasmay.
you have to make sure singular or plural as well. All right.
singular ลูกเข
This one I choose Rukhasanim, okay?
Yes, Ruka Samay.
Tawam Rukhasanim. This
Sakuna.
number 2. And then go to number 3. Word number 3.
Sakuna.
Sakuna.
Birds. Number 3.
อ่า
Bird on the tree, right? 3 and then go to bird. Birds, object in the sentence. Case number 3, sorry, case number 2, right? Object in the sentence. C, bird.
สกุล
Bird, Pali term is sakuna, right? Decline according to the Purisa masculine. Case number 2, what is it? Saku,
นา
เน
Saku, Saku what?
เนเน
นา
Sakuno, Sakuna, Sakuna,
นาส
Saku,
กุณาจัง
Sakunayo
Sakuno,
or Sakuna.
Puriso, Purisa, Purisam, Puri,
สกุ
เน
ณา
Puri,
เส
Puriso, Purisa, Purisam, Puri.
เส
Okay, so it should be Saku.
เน
Hey.
Ajahn, is
Okay, remember Purisa form. Okay. Purisa masculine.
Okay.
Tavam Rukhasmim Sakune and then
สกุเน
verb
ปัสสติ
C. What the verb C?
ปัสสะ
Pasa
Yeah,
what?
Sakuna is feminine.
Huh?
It's
Yeah, Sakuna is
Akarana.
Yes,
It's Akarana.
feminine.
Any sound is a feminine. They say
Yes.
in Kenya, Sakuna.
Sakuna. The original form is Sakuna.
Yes.
สกุณา
Sakuna. Original forms.
it should be ส
พ
กุ
ร้
ณา
อมอาการันติ
Stem. Sakuna. Original form. Sakuna. Sorry, original Pali is Sakuna. Not Sakuna. Sakuna end with a stem masculine. Decline the same Purisa. Right? Okay, Pasa. What?
ปัสสสิ
Not Pasati, all Pasati, okay? Pasa
Pasasi.
what? Pasa. Si.
ติ
See? Tavam Rukhasmim Sakune Pasasi. Tavam si, you see? The anti si, you see? Singular. Tavam Rukhasmim Sakune Pasasi.
ปอง
This is number 4. Number 4. And this is the translation in Pali. Last word, last sentence.
คุณชะ
We eat with the hand.
We
See, we, first person, right?
yes
First person, we, what? We in Pali.
we ตอง
We, first person. Singular or plural, we. Singular or plural, we from
เรจังไม่ยัง
from Amha word, right? We just finished this morning. We Amha words.
ไม่ยัง
มายัง
Mayam plural, right? Mayam. Mayam. And then cannot translate verb because there is the word that related to the verb. We should translate with the hand first. Second,
ติ
sorry.
นา
With the hands. With
Hands. Oh, yeah.
หัตถะ
with the hands.
ฮัตถินา
Hatha is a hand,
ฮั
right?
ตถิ sorry
Hatha is a hand. Decline according
Hatihi.
to Purisa masculine.
Hello.
Third person. Plural, right?
Thank you.
ได้
Hatha.
แล้วหัตเทหิ หัตเทหิพุท
This
ชัน
is Ehi, right? Hatchehi or Hattepi, up to you. There are two case ending about Hattehi, Hattepi, right? Hattehi, and then go to the verb in the sentence. Eat. What about eat in Pali?
พุน
พา
ชะ
รามะ
พุนชะ
Pun.
Pongchut. Pongchut.
พุทชันติ พุนชันติ
Yeah. Pongcham.
พา
Pongcham.
รามะ
Pongcham.
Pun.
พุทชามะ พุทชามะ ชาติ
Shama.
ติ ตามิมะโอเค
not
Puchama.
the okay not punchanti punchanti okay punchama mayam ama you see mayam ama aham ami mayam ama see this for the present persons present tense you see mayam hatte punchama mayam hatte punchama correct if can translate like this correct then you can get a point. Okay, let's go to next page. Oh, conjugation of comma root. Oh, this is answer. Answer conjugation of comma root to go drop outside singular plural. Kachati, kachanti, kachasi, kachata, kachami, kachama. Conjugate of general root to walk drop outside same comma root. All of this from the first group, right? Puvatikana, Jaratis, Jarantis, Jarasis, Jaratas, Jaramis, Jarama. Conjugate of chi root to win, drop nasai, you see. Nasai, singular plural, chinati, chinanti, chinasi, chinata, chinami, chinama. Conjugate of gara root to do, drop osai. Karoti, karonti, karosi, karota, karomi, karoma. Translate the following sentence into English. Buddha Dhammam Pasanti. The Buddha's preached the doctrine. Tvam Pachehi Jarasi. Thou travel all ye as well. Okay, this one. Thou travelst by feet. Mayam loke vasana. We live in the world. We live in the world. Translate the following sentence into Pali. The king killed a lion. Raja Ekam Siham. Yes, you can put Ekam or leave it as and should. Never mind. Nothing incorrect. Raja Siham. Oh, this one it should be Raja. Wrong spelling. Raja Siham Mareti. Mareti or Hanati. Thou see the birds on the tree. Rukasmim Sakune Pasasi. You see this one, they leave the Tawam as understood, you see, because it show Tawam. Sit show Tawam. But for the beginner, you can put Tawam here, no problem. Because for the beginners should write it in all forms of a sentence. We eat with hands or with the hands. Hatte Katama or Hatte Punchama. Katama or Punchama. This one also Mayam, you see, Ama show Mayam. Leave it as understood for the intermediate and advanced. For the advanced and intermediate, leave it as understood, but for the beginner, should write it Mayam. For the beginner, should put the subject in a sentence. Okay, this is the exercise 1. Exercise 1. Let's concentrate on the Visesana Sapanama. In the morning session, we have finished the Purisa Sapanama, right? This one, Visesana Sapanama. Visesana. Adjective. Visheshana is adjective or adjectival. Visheshana should be this one. This one. Visheshana and then Sappanama pronouns. Visheshana adjectival Sappanama pronoun become adjectival pronouns. Adjectival pronoun. The pronoun can be declined for all gender and every person. They become adjective when they qualify other nouns. They have no vocative case, so this means only 6 cases. 6 cases, the same Purisa Sappanama can be declined according to 7 cases, not 8 cases. 7 cases. Same Purisa Sappanama. For example, yo, right? Yo mean which or who. Which or who, yo. Which or who, yo. Yo here stand as the adjective or adjectival noun. It should follow by yo puriso, right? This is for masculine. Yo puriso. For masculine. For feminine, from yo to ya, right? Same sa, right? So sa, yo ya, you see. Ta words. This is ya words. Ya is the original. Ya is the original terms of the term yo and ya. The original terms of so and sa, right? So yo, so when we pray in the morning time, right? Morning chanting, right? Yo so bhagava, you see. Yo so bhagava arahang samma. This one, you see. Yo so it come to, you see. Most usually according to the grammar, when ya come, sa also come. According to the grammar rule, when ya appear in the sentence or ya use the sentence, must be so there. Ya and sa must come together. When sa come, no ya. But when ya come, sa must be there. This is the grammatical rule. Yo so bhagava. Today or maybe next day we will learn the bhagava. Let's see the term bhagava. The blessed one, right? Yo so bhagava. The blessed one. How to translate? Yo so bhagava. Who's the blessed ones? Who the blessed ones? You see? Who the blessed one? Who that the blessed one? It should be who. Yo means who, right? So that the blessed one. Who that the blessed one? Who that the blessed one? Yo so bhagava rang samma sambuddho. The subject is samma sambuddho, you see. Yo so bhagava arang samma sambuddho. Bhagava arahang. Bhagava and arahang is substantive or kunanama of samma sambuddho. Samma sambuddho subject in the sentence. Both Bhagava and Arahang, substantive or Kuna Nama of Samma Sambuddho. Yoso adjectival pronoun. Adjectival pronoun. The fully self-enlightened one, who's that the blessed one, the Arahant, right? Yoso Bhagava, who's that the blessed one, the Arahant, right? You see, when translates. The Arahants. Okay, let's see how to decline the Visesana Sapphanama. Now to decline it, get into 8 cases, get into 7 cases. What's the term Visesana Sapphanama that we going to decline? You see. Relative pronouns. Ya. Ya. Who or which or who. So, ya. Ya mean which or who for the masculine noun can be declined in 3 genders. The term ya can be declined into 3 genders, the same ta, right? Ya and ta words. When ya come, ta also come. But when ta come, ya maybe not in the sentence. According to the grammatical rule, when ya comes, ta must be there. That must be there in the sentence. Okay, never mind about this. Okay, just only translate for all of you according to grammatical rule. Let's concentrate on the declines of the ya terms. Ya is original Pali term. When declined according to 7 cases, singular, plural, yo. Masculine, okay, yo. If feminine, ya, right? This feminine, yo. Ye, not ye, yo, ye, okay? Yo, ye, yum. Accusative case, ye, ye na, ye pi, yasa, ye sam, ye sanam, yasama, yamha, ye na, ye pi, yasam, ye sam, ye sanam, yasmin, yamhi, yesu. Similar decline, it's similar decline to the purisa, you see, right? Purisa of masculine, puriso, purise, purisam. Puriso, purisa. That's one is purisa, but it's one only a difference. Puriso, purisa, but this one yo ye. Purisam, purise, purise na ye na, purise, purise pi. Purisatsa, purisaya, purisatthang, only this one different, but this is almost the same, you see. Ye sam, ye sanam. Yasa, ye sam, ye sanam. It should be ye sanam. Okay. Yasa, ye sam, ye sanam. Okay. Note by yourself, ye sanam, this one incorrect. Yasma, yamha, ye pi. Yasma, yamha, ye. It should be ye pi as well, not only ye. Yasma, yamha, ye. Okay, maybe only ye, this one. Yasa, ye sam, ye sanam. Okay. Same, right? Ye sam, ye sanam. Yasmin, yamhi, yesu. This is